Are you in search of a top-rated mechanical keyboard under 50? Look no further. This 60 mechanical gaming keyboard is an excellent choice for budget-conscious gamers and typists. It features blue switches for a satisfying tactile response and crisp, precise actuation. The compact 61-key design saves space on your desk and is highly portable. It also has 12 dynamic backlight modes to match your gaming setup's aesthetics. Don't miss out on this incredible value. Grab yours today. Mage G is renowned for its top-of-the-line gaming keyboards. This budget-friendly mechanical keyboard is no exception. It features crisp, responsive blue switches, a compact TKL design, and customizable LED backlighting. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore pro, this keyboard has everything you need to take your gaming to the next level. The Razer Viper is the ultimate gaming mouse for those looking for the best performance. It's incredibly lightweight, has a comfortable ergonomic design, and is packed with features that will give you an edge in-game. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore pro, the Razer Viper is the perfect choice for you. It is the best budget mechanical keyboards under 50. The Corsair K55 RGB Pro is a great choice for budget-conscious gamers looking for a quality mechanical keyboard. It features dynamic 5-zone RGB backlighting, 6 dedicated macro keys, and IP42 spill resistance. The keys are quiet and responsive, making it ideal for both work and play. Plus, it's built to last with a durable construction. The GK61 is a budget-friendly mechanical keyboard that doesn't skimp on features. It has a solid build quality, with a metal top plate and sturdy plastic base. The keys are responsive and have a satisfying tactile feel. The keyboard also has a number of features that are typically found on more expensive models, such as RGB backlighting. It is also fully programmable, so you can customize the lighting effects and key bindings to your liking. If you're looking for a great mechanical keyboard on a budget, the GK61 is a solid option. Are you in search of a top-rated budget mechanical keyboard and mouse combo under 50? Look no further. This RK400 RGB gaming keyboard and mouse combo is an excellent choice for gamers on a budget. It features a comfortable, ergonomic design, and the keys are very responsive. The mouse is also very comfortable to use and has a high DPI setting, which is perfect for gaming. I've heard great things about the rebrand, and am confident that you'll be happy with this product. It's a great value for the price. The L98 wireless mechanical keyboard is a budget-friendly option for those looking for a quality mechanical keyboard. It features hot swappable switches, a gasket-mounted design, and triple-mode connectivity. The build quality is solid, and the keyboard feels great to type on. The L98 is also very customizable, with a variety of lighting effects and software options. If you're looking for a great mechanical keyboard without spending a lot of money, the L98 is a great option. The L98 is a great choice for budget-minded gamers and typists. It offers a lot of features that are typically found on more expensive keyboards, such as hot swappable switches and RGB lighting. The build quality is also very good, and the keyboard feels sturdy and well-made. One of the things that makes the L98 such a great value is its hot swappable switches. This means that you can easily change out the switches to customize the feel of the keyboard. If you're not sure what switches you want, the L98 comes with a variety of options to choose from. Another great feature of the L98 is its gasket-mounted design. This design helps to reduce noise and vibration, making the keyboard quieter to type on. It also makes the keyboard feel more comfortable to use, as it absorbs some of the impact of your keystrokes. The L98 also has triple-mode connectivity, so you can connect it to your computer via Bluetooth, too. 4 GHz wireless, or USB-C. This makes it a great option for use with multiple devices. Overall, the L98 wireless mechanical keyboard is a great option for budget-minded gamers and typists. It offers a lot of features that are typically found on more expensive keyboards, such as hot swappable switches and RGB lighting. The build quality is also very good, and the keyboard feels sturdy and well made. The VK66 is a budget-friendly mechanical keyboard that doesn't skimp on features. It has a sturdy build quality, with a metal top plate and PBT keycaps. The switches are hot swappable, so you can easily customize the typing feel to your liking. The keyboard also has a variety of lighting effects, which can be customized using the included software. If you're looking for a great mechanical keyboard on a budget, the VK66 is a solid option. It's built to last and has all the features you need for gaming or typing. Plus, it's backed by Wumier's reputation for quality products. The Redragon K630 Dragonborn 60 wired RGB gaming keyboard is a compact and portable keyboard that is perfect for gamers on the go. It features a 60 layout, which means that it is missing the number pad and the function keys, but it still has all of the keys that you need for gaming. The keyboard is also very lightweight, making it easy to carry around. The Redragon K630 Dragonborn 60 wired RGB gaming keyboard is built with high-quality materials and is very durable. The keys are made from PBT plastic, which is resistant to wear and tear. The keyboard also has a reinforced steel plate that helps to prevent it from flexing. The Redragon K630 Dragonborn 60 wired RGB gaming keyboard is a great choice for gamers who are looking for a compact, portable, and durable keyboard. It is also a great choice for gamers who are on a budget. The Glorious Gaming Mouse is an excellent choice for budget-minded gamers looking for a high-quality mouse. It features a comfortable ergonomic design, a PixArt 3360 sensor, and Omron switches. It also has RGB lighting and a customizable DPI setting. It is an excellent mouse for gaming, and it's also great for everyday use. The Glorious Gaming Mouse is an excellent value for the price. It is one of the best budget gaming mice on the market. It is an excellent choice for gamers looking for a high-quality mouse that won't break the bank.